How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this error. First thing first, open up your Instagram app and just make sure you are logged in. Once you have done that, what you can do next is try to refresh your feed by swiping down on your screen, and it will automatically refresh it. But if it's not happening, then there are a few things that you might do. First thing you have to do is allow all of the permissions on Instagram, so long and hold it. Go to the eye icon, then you'll get app info. From here, head over to permissions, and these permissions are allowed because the app requires them to run smoothly. The next step you can do is go back and head over to internal storage and clear out its cache. As you can see, there are more than 400 megabytes of cache. So clearing out them time to time can be a good way to fix this problem. But if it still doesn't fix your error, then you're going to have to report to Instagram itself. To do that, head over to profile down below and find the three lines at the top right. Then scroll down all the way until you find Help Center, tap on Help, and then report a problem. Now continue problem. And once you continue report, you can include the diagnostics. Briefly explain that you're not able to refresh your feed even though you have a stable connection. Tap on send, it will create a ticket, and Instagram help and support team will help you. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.